Hey, what's up guys? I'm just setting up for another video and I figured I would make a short, follow-up to one of my recent videos that's not really a DIY but more of a vloggy type subject. Anyways, it has to deal with me being an Amazon affiliate. Basically, I am no longer an Amazon affiliate because they decided that my channel is too small. And I kind of knew that was possible going into it because even they said that there's no set amount of subscribers you're required to have, but I should have more. And generally what I found online is it takes about 500 is the minimum, but for others less. And I was like, you know what? I don't really care. I kind of want to see if I got enough, or what it takes to make it. So I decided to join up and see what happens. And basically, I was an affiliate for about 2 weeks. I've been meaning to mention in my other videos, but it doesn't really fit, and I keep forgetting anyway. But about 2 weeks, and I got about 160 clicks on the links, but no sales. So, basically, from what I've gathered online, I was below average because they say you get about 1 to 2% sales average, and I was getting 0%. So, I don't know if I'll do it again. They said in the email to try again later. Well, the first email they said was, like, hey, you don't meet the requirements. Goodbye. I asked why, and they goes, well, your channel is, generally, your channel is too small, and generally you should have more subscribers before applying. So, just FYI, I think, like I said, 500 is maybe the sweet spot for me. Maybe I'll try again at 500. Maybe I'll wait until I'm a little larger. It's not a big deal, but like I said, I'm setting up for another video. I'm also working on other stuff. Like here, for example, I've been working on prepping this other Vortec intake for the C3 Corvette because I don't want to use the one I drilled for the aluminum heads because I'm going to use this with these Vortec heads right here, and I got to start working on those here shortly. But basically, I'm kind of, not sure what I'm going to work on next. I need to port and prep those, mod port and prep those Vortec heads. But I'm also considering, well, not considering, I think I'm going to port the aluminum heads just a little. I'm not going to use them for a while, so I don't want to do a full port. But I know several of my subscribers are interested in those heads. So I think I'm just going to do like one set. One runner, one intake runner, one exhaust runner, one chamber. Just, it's kind of a preview. And then I'll do, when I actually use the heads, I'll show that. I'll do the full set and show it later. But for now, like I said, my main focus is to try and get the 77 C3 going before summer. Definitely I want it by summer. And then get back to working on the Trans Am, hopefully before fall. I think I got everything I need, so, we'll see. Always delays, things take longer than planned, you got to figure stuff out, and so on. But right now, I'm about to hang up these plates and this exit sign, and then I'll show you those, and we'll wrap this up. And we're back. Now, I did forget to mention Amazon does have another requirement that you make 3 sales in 6 months. So, with my average of 80 clicks a week, I think I could have met that requirement. I would have liked to have seen if I could, at least. But, oh well, no point crying over spilled milk. It's done and over with. Here's the stuff I just put up. Okay, I just slapped 3 of those plates over here. And by the way, a friend of mine gave me those plates, and I've been meaning to get them up. These 3 new ones, and these 2 plates up over here, and the exit sign, and that plate right there. I've been meaning to put these up for a while now, so thanks to the friend that gave me those plates, and thanks to you guys for watching. Keep it real.